Hello students, in today's session we will study about the boiler troubles. In last videos we have already studied about some boiler problems like priming and foaming, boiler corrosion and caustic embrittlement. Today's session is the sludge and scale formation. In this session we will discuss about formation of sludge, formation of scale and how can we remove sludge formation and scales. Sludge is a loose and slimy PPT in the inner wall of boilers. Scale is a sticky, hard and adherent cord formed in the inner wall of boilers. First of all, we will discuss about scales, how can removed and formation of scales. Scales are hard substances which sticky very firmly in the inner wall of boilers. Scales are difficult to remove even with the help of hammer and chisel because scales adhering very hard coating. Scales are difficult to remove. For example, calcium sulfate, calcium carbonate, magnesium hydroxide. Formation of scales. First is the decomposition of calcium bicarbonate. Calcium bicarbonate decomposed calcium carbonate H2O and CO2. Further, calcium carbonate react with water and precipitate of calcium hydroxide. Next is decomposition of calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate soluble in cold water. At high temperature, solubility of calcium sulfate is decreased. Hydrolysis of magnesium sulfate. Magnesium chloride react with water and form a magnesium hydroxide precipitate. Next is the presence of silica. This is the disadvantage of scales. Fuel wastage, lowering of boiler safety, decreased efficiency, danger of explosion. And next is the how can we remove scales using wire brushes, by using chemicals, calcium carbonate scales by 5 to 10% HCl and using calcium sulfate scales by EDTA, blow down pipe operation by giving thermal shocks. Next, scale prevention. This is the external treatment method by using soft water and internal treatment method we have already discussed in last video. Colloidal conditioning, Calgon conditioning, phosphate conditioning and carbonate conditioning and treatment with sodium carbonate. Next is the sludge. Sludge is a soft, loose and slimy precipitate in the form of boiler. It can be easily removed by scalp and wire brush. It is formed at comparatively cold portion of the boilers and collect in area of the system. It is formed by substances which have greater solubilities in hot water than in cold water, like magnesium carbonate, magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, magnesium sulfate, etc. Next is the sludge of formation, where flow of water is slow at colder region by substances which have greater solubility in the hot water. For example, magnesium carbonate, magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, magnesium sulfate, etc. This is the disadvantage of sludge. Poor conductor of heat and hence more consumption of time and fuel. Disturb functioning of boilers and settles in the region of poor water circulation. Prevention by using soft water, by using blow down pipes operation.